Today, back on the workbench is our Tamiya TT-01E. So this is really exciting. Today on the workbench, we are starting our TT-01 Type E build. We did a video recently unboxing this kit. I'll put a link up there to it. Loved how it looked. Everything looked great. There's a lot of awesome stuff in it. But this is the start. This is episode 2 of this series. This is the start of the actual build. And what's kind of cool about this is I've done builds before. I built the TT-02 there on the series. But with this Tamiya car, I am not going to do any hop-ups. This is going to be a completely stock kit build. So if it's not in here, it's not going on the car, except for the receiver and the servo and the stuff you need to make it run and a battery. But as for like the kit itself, I am not replacing any of the kit parts with hop-ups. We are going to do a completely stock build, step by step, go through the whole thing. I mean, it was a lot of fun to do the TT-02 and hop it up like crazy. I'll put a link to that playlist up there and you can see how that guy came together. But in this one, we're going to do something different. It's a TT-01. So in this case, it's going to be a completely stock build. We are going to jump in here. Let's start taking the stuff out. Let's look at the manual and let's jump right into step 1 of our TT-01E full kit build. Okay, that is steps 1 through 17 of the build for our Tamiya TT-01E. It's a pretty simple build, went together with no problems so far. Look, we've got like most of the back end done, we've got most of the front end done, everything's moving. I did run out of the Tamiya grease. I would have liked to have had a little bit more, but I did use my trusty red grease that I keep handy on the workbench. I also couldn't find my amazing Tamiya ratcheting screwdriver. I did a whole review of that. I'll put a link up there, but I don't know where it is. I used it for something else in the house because it's so good I don't just use it for RC stuff, and I don't know where it is. So I started with this screwdriver. I don't know if you saw me switch. It was a little too big, and I went to this one, and it just worked better, and my hands are a little oily from the grease. Anyway, it's really shaping up. Went together, like I said, pretty easily. Everything is pretty well labeled, goes together. The next step is to start building the shocks and things like that. So this is where we're gonna break. That was a really good session. I hope you were able to follow along. Please, if you like what we're doing, like these videos, subscribe so you don't miss anything. We are gonna pick up this full kit build with no hop-ups. So far so good, no hop-ups. I'm tempted. I really saw things that I want to hop up, but not for the build. So we are going to pick this video up with step 18, where we start to build the friction dampers. But until then, thank you again for watching. Please, please, please subscribe. I know a lot of you guys are watching my videos, but you're not subscribers. If you subscribe, you're not going to miss anything. And make sure you come back, and we're going to start episode 3 with step 18. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.